Hi, this is our QLQ automatic nylon zipper close and zigzag cutting machine. The output is 4,000 pieces per hour. The machine size, you can see the length is about 2.1 meter. The width is about 0.7 meter. And the height is about 2 meter. And number 3, number 5, and number 8 can share one machine, but you need to adjust the zipper channel width. Okay, you can see zippers go through this path and go into the cutting path. This is the cutter, and the brush will push the zipper coming down here. And this is the control panel. Okay, let me start the machine. You can see the zippers going through cutting and come down here. You can see the zigzag cutting very well. Okay, that's all.